Emma Sullivan, SPC 630, Section 816, with Dr. Nicolette Caldwell, December 8th, 2024. Timer. Systematic analysis of two or more independent variables, component analysis, relationships that exist when independent variable causes changes in the dependent functional relation. The variable is manipulated independent variable, the degree to which an assessment measure what is supposed to validity, magnitude of change in level between the end and phase, immediacy of effect, reliability, utility, honesty of science, replication, number of responses per unit of time rate, lasting products of the behavior of interest may be natural or contrived, permanent products, amount of data from one phrase that overlaps or occurrence overlap. The most common line graph allows for a comparison of the effects of two intervals. Reversal design captures all occurrences of behavior of intervention, continuous measurement. Equal distances on the axis represent equal interval graph in which the cumulative number of responses is represented on the vertical axis. Cumulative record. How many times the behavior occurred? Rate. Baseline data are collected consecutively for tier 1. Multiple probe design occurs when incorrectly rejected true null hypothesis type 1 error. Time elapsed from the end of the previous inner response time. Demonstrated a functional relation to the manipulation of independent control, degree to which the assessment tool produces consistent measurement, reliability, time, step. Method based on chance and alone, randomization, represents the number of trials or opportunities required for performance criterion to be met, trials or criterion, include the baseline phase and intervention phase that includes subphases, pass, two-dimensional graph with a logarithmic scaled on the y-axis, logarithmic, semi-logarithmic chars, repeated introduction, removal of the independent variable, withdrawal design, improved functioning as determined by measurement, improvement in observable behaviors, clinical significance, the extent to which a prior condition may impact the dependent variable, carryover effect, strength, intensity, or force behavior magnitude, demonstrated when the predicts basic effects, development process within the participants during the course of the study that may account for the changes in maturation. The phenomenon of interest, which is also known as the outcome variable, dependent variable, experimental design includes two phases, A and B, case study. At the end of the interval, the observer records yes, whole interval recording. Baseline data are collected simultaneously across multiple tiers based on independent variable and multiple baseline data. Two events shown to co-vary over predicted prediction. Changes occurred in the dependent variable, which is recorded through instrumentation, quantifiable, observable events that are compared to the known form of description. Parametric analysis pass. Observer records yes if at any point, partial interval recording. Type of instability in the data that represents a repeated pattern. Pass. The time between the onset of latency, how long behavior occurs, duration. Degree to which experiment is conducted effectively or evaluates the effects of internal validity, approaches to determine effectiveness of pass, the slope of direction of the data, the best fit line, trend, how much behavior occurred, categories as low, medium, or high level. Any variables that are intended for study by the experimenter must be held consistent to avoid pass. Time. Documented when a basic effect is observed 3 times for one participant. Experiment control occurs when a failed or rejected false null hypothesis leads to conclude that there is not type 2 error. A measurement of the behavior taken before intervention started. Baseline data. The range of the spread of the data within a phase. Variability. Changes in data that result from the novel environmental conditions. Adaptation. Does not capture occurrences of behavior registering an observation. Instead, discontinuous measurement, a variable that impacts the dependent variable but is not the phenomenon. Confounding variable. Rapid alternation of interventions within the participant group. Multi-element design. The observer records yes if the behavior is occurring at that moment. Momentary time sampling. Extent to which the findings of the study can generalize external validity. The bias for experimental reasoning used within applied behavior analysis, which includes prediction, verification, baseline logic, the extent to which the order of the conditions may impact the dependent variables, sequence effects, some extraneous event that occurred during the study and impacted history. Okay, done. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20.